What is up, YouTube? As you guys can see from the title and the thumbnail, yeah, we bought a few things. So we have currently right now, we have our carbon hood. We have our GT3 or GT4 style front lip. We have our new turbo kit top mount. We have our M3 side skirts. We have a bunch of other heating stuff for the top mount kit. If you guys don't know by now, and you guys are in the M54 community, or if you guys know about the M54, you guys know when you go top mount, there's a lot of extra heat when you bring the turbo up to the top of the motor. So I pretty much am buying everything I need to make sure everything up top stays cool. So currently running a bottom mount kit. It is a Doc DR700. I'm not entirely happy with that kit, so I had to go with another kit. We have all the heating stuff for the top mount kit. We have our twin scroll. So like I said, it is a DR700. So there is a turbo currently on the car now, single turbo 6266. Like I said, DR700. So now we're going top mount kit. So I pretty much just had to buy the hot stuff, the hot side stuff. So everything else is still on the car. Besides that, we're doing some exterior stuff, as you guys can see. M3 carbon hood. We have our M3 side skirts carbon. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look. I'm just giving you guys an overview right now. But M3 carbon side skirt, real. M3 carbon hood, real. We have our GT4 style carbon front lip, real. So right now I'm gonna show you guys a little closer look of everything I got. The car is gonna be actually going to the shop real soon to get all this stuff installed. Even comment some wrap colors, because once I do everything to this car, black's gonna look real good for a little bit. But I'm obviously going to want to wrap the car after that. So give me some suggestions on what color I should wrap it. I got a little surprise for the wheels. Let's go start off with the lip. So we have our GT4 style front lip. It does come with these little air ducts right there, if you guys can see. And then we have our back housing. So that is going to be for a 6266. It's a twin scroll manifold. So you guys can see. And get on to the hood. Carbon M3 hood. Guys, I've never had carbon in my life. So for the first carbon piece I really bought was this carbon hood. Hey, now I know why everybody buys carbon. It's a really good look, and every time you look at it, you can almost get mesmerized by just the weave and everything. But you can never get carbon perfect, but for this, it's pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. M3 carbon hood, as you guys can see, real carbon. Give you guys close up of the weave. But man, I am super excited to have the M3 hood on the car. So like I said, M3 GT3 style. M3 GT4 style front lip. There is some parts that I'm still waiting on, so that's something I did mention. There is some parts I'm still waiting on, so stay tuned. Once the car, like I said, once the car's already done, or once the car's finished, you guys are going to see a totally different car. So we have our M3 style side skirts carbon as well. We have our manifold. As you guys can see, all the hoses we need. So like I said, when you guys go top mount, there's a lot of extra heat that comes from the turbo being on top or being on the side, compared to obviously the bottom mount and obviously the twin turbos that come from the factory. Everything is down low, so you don't have to worry about heat like that too much. But when you go top mount, you definitely have to do some things to make sure you're protecting the car, make sure you don't cause any fires or anything like that. So I got some gold heat wrap tape I'm going to be using to kind of shield some stuff off. So once we're starting on the install, I'll give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek on that. I have a bunch of fittings that you are going to need if you are going top mount. So 5 ace heater, it's a fire sleeve, and another one I have a 3 ace. Then I have some sensor plugs right here. I have my oil drain. We're going to be taping up a lot. We're going to be taping up and wrapping up a lot of wires and sensors. So once we do the install, I'll show you guys a little bit more of everything getting wrapped up. But as far as right now, I want to show you guys just an overview of everything that I bought. I even have my carbon spoiler right there that I just got, and I got a Doc pretty much heat shield, and we're going to wrap that in the gold reflective tape. And then I got some new hardware, so when the manifold goes on, everything's all tidy and everything's all good. I did get some gaskets right there. I got my turbo blanket, like I said, tile blow off valves. So actually the extra springs and stuff, the springs aren't in right now, so I have the springs right here, as you guys can see. But definitely stay tuned, guys. I wanted to bring you guys a video showing you guys everything that I'm getting getting installed on the car. This is gonna be a crazy build, guys, so definitely stay tuned. This is gonna be a 2-part video, so I'm gonna show you guys everything getting installed and everything getting all completed on the car in the next video, so stay tuned. But man, this car is gonna take a total twist and a total turn for the better. So definitely stay tuned. Definitely, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and notification bell. more content's on the way. I wanted to bring you guys a quick little video letting you guys know what the delay was for and all the things that I'm getting installed on the car. As you guys can see, I had to wait for quite a few things to come in, and obviously, you know, getting car parts shipped to you is not the easiest thing. So definitely comment down below you guys' comments, or you guys have any questions on the build. But when you guys see this car next, definitely this car is going to look different. This car is going to look totally different, totally have a new vibe to it, a new look to it. So I hope you guys are excited as much as I am, because yeah, it's gonna be top mount. And I have a little Easter egg. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, those of you who have stayed to the end of the video, I also did a little something on the interior. I don't think anybody else has this on their 335, at least not the IS for sure. But let me give you guys a little listen to this. You guys hear that? Magnetic paddle shifters. Yes, you heard that correct. I don't think I've even seen a single 335 with magnet paddle shifters. I pretty much had to do some custom work with the wiring to get these to work on my IS, because this is a LCI, not a pre-LCI. So when I bought these paddles, they didn't work right away. So I had to do some MacGyvering, or me and my boy. Shout out to Psychotic Street Builds. That's my boy right there. But yeah, we had to do some MacGyvering to these paddles to get them to work. But as you guys can see, hear that? That's a click, magnetic click. That is gonna make this car so satisfying to drive. I'm so excited to get everything on the car. Oh man, you guys don't even know. I've been waiting for everything to get here and everything to get installed. I'm almost getting impatient because I just want everything to be installed like right away. But once this car is done, guys, trust, guys, I hope you guys are coming along for the build and coming along for the process, because man, I've been waiting for this car to sound nice, look nice, and just be overall a solid street car and a good looking, you know, not a show car, but you know what I'm saying, have a good presence when I pull up to a car show. So stay tuned. If you guys stay to the end of this video, I'm very excited for this build. But hey, magnetic paddle shifters, and they're carbon. As you guys can already see, they're carbon paddle shifters. You guys see they're dry carbon, but man, do they look good. They look good and they sound good. Look at that. Downshift, upshift. Oh, that upshift sounds even more crispy. Downshift, upshift. Hey, I hope you guys are excited for the build. Stay tuned. It is a DCT. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more in the next video. Stay tuned. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.